Welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Today we bring you a deeply heartbreaking story from South Sudanese community. This week, tragedy has struck Akuny Manyon Kwol, a loving mother of two from Bur County. She has sadly taken her own life in Nairobi, Kenya. Her youngest child is only 1 year old. Akuny endured prolonged abuse from her husband and in-laws. She reached out for help many times, seeking support and protection, but time and again she was told to endure for the sake of her children. Sadly, the weight of her suffering became too much. Her story is a painful reminder that silence can cost life. When someone cries out for help, we cannot turn away. We must listen. We have to listen, intervene, and protect the vulnerable. Her children are now left without their mother, and though nothing can undo this tragedy, we can honor her memory by raising awareness and speaking out against abuse in all its form. Let this story remind us to care for those around us. If you see someone suffering, reach out, listen, help, protect. Together we can prevent tragedies like this from happening again. Rest in peace, Akuny Manyon Kwol. May your soul find peace, and may your story awaken us to the urgent need to protect those in danger. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.